In this video, I am giving you 3 high-level, psychologically savvy tips to drive your conversations with customers to closure faster. To drive those conversations to closure faster and in such a way that both you and your customer feel good at the end of the call. All right, let's dive in. The first technique is what I like to call the pre-closure summary. The pre-closure summary is a natural way to guide the conversation to a natural closure without making the customer feel rushed. Here's how it works. Toward the end of the call, summarize what's been accomplished in a confident and positive tone. For example, just to recap, we've updated your account information, scheduled your payment, and made sure you're all set for next month. Does that sound right? Here's why this works. Psychologically, people are more likely to agree when they hear a clear summary of progress. It gives the call a sense of resolution and it lets the customer feel the issue is truly handled. Next up, leverage the final question. This is a simple phrase that signals to the customer that the conversation is coming to an end while at the same time showing that you care. Try phrases like, "Before I let you go, is there anything else I can assist you with today?" This works for 2 reasons. First, it signals to the customer that the call is wrapping up. Second, it uses psychological closure to make the customer feel heard. If they don't have anything else, they'll naturally say, "No, that's it," which helps you end the call smoothly. The final technique is using future-focused language. You're going to use language to shift your customer's attention to what happens after the call, while at the same time reinforcing that you have resolved the issue on the call. Here's an example. Great. You should receive your confirmation email within the next 24 hours. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. This creates psychological closure by focusing on what's next. It subtly signals that the conversation is over while keeping the tone positive and professional. Let's recap those 3 techniques. Use pre-closure summaries to emphasize progress. Ask a final question to guide the conversation to a close. End with future-focused language to set expectations and reinforce closure. Remember, the goal isn't just to lower your AHT, it's to end calls in a way that feels good for both you and your customer. Try these techniques on your next few calls and see how they work for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more customer service tips like this. Until next time, keep on delivering great service with confidence.